Hi everybody, it's Jeff from Rydell Chevrolet. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and give you guys a recap of the week here at Rydell Chevrolet. We are open for business. If you're like me, you've probably received emails from countless places that you do business with over the year, just letting you know what they're doing to keep the places clean. Obviously we're doing all that too. We're wiping down all of our customer touch points. That would mean doors when people are coming in, tables when people are done, just making sure that every transaction is ready for the next transaction. So that would mean cleaning in between. That's one of the things that we're doing, and I think almost every business that's open out there is doing now to keep people safe. Some things that we do here every day of the year, but just to recap on them a little bit. We do have valet pickup and delivery in the Cedar Falls and Waterloo area. We are continuing to do that. We are wiping steering wheels, door handles, inside of the doors down when we're done. We're also offering stay in your vehicle oil changes right now. Basically what that means is you pull in, if you're not comfortable getting out, you let us know, you can stay in your car and we'll take care of you from there. We do have a Rydell Delivers program. We've had that for quite some time. What that means is that we can deliver the car to your home so you can look at it. We can take paperwork to you so you can do it. There are great deals going on right now. General Motors is trying to keep things rolling with 0% for 84 months. That's 0% for 7 years, which is unprecedented on 20 Equinox, Silverado, and Trax, and on any 19 product left out there. So God bless you all. I hope you have a great weekend, and we're here for you if you need us.